Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy public transport tickets in Prague. Buy tickets before boarding using machines, SMS, or the Prague public transport app. Start at a metro station or tram stop, choose a short, long, or transfer ticket, validate when required, and keep the receipt for inspections. I'll guide you through machines, SMS codes, and app steps so you feel confident riding Prague trams and metros. Machines are the most common way to buy tickets, and they are straightforward. Approach a machine, select language, then choose a short, long, or transfer ticket depending on your trip. Insert cash or tap a card, collect the paper ticket, and immediately validate if the machine did not print a time stamp. Keep the ticket safe because inspectors may check it on trams, buses, and metros. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more travel guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort on long walks around Prague. I wear them on tram rides and walking tours, and they hold up amazingly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. SMS and app tickets are quick and paperless, ideal for short visits and transfers. For SMS, send the correct code and keep the confirmation message as proof. For the app, set up a profile, choose ticket duration, and activate before boarding. Make sure your phone screen clearly shows the ticket when inspectors request it, and remember, activated tickets cannot always be refunded or changed once started.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.